Cloud is being adopted by almost every organization in one form or another. It takes away the hassle of tasks like monitoring, tuning, updates, backup, restores, replacements, and scale out. In this video, I will discuss the options available for migrating SQL Server databases to Azure Cloud. I am Atif Shehzad, Microsoft Data Platform Consultant and Trainer. You can find my blog and updates on blog.dbdigger.com. It is a big step to finalize the service model that suits you in the cloud. In data platform perspective, the basic considerations are data size, connection count, users count, new or existing system, features used in the existing on-premise system like CLR, database renames, compression, in-memory technologies, HADR, transactions per second, storage efficiency, pricing model, migration options, and security issues. Keeping these aspects in view, we have to decide the most suitable, affordable, and scalable service model on Azure. Before going to talk about database migration options from on-premise to Azure, I would like to emphasize a point. Cloud technologies are improving at an enormous pace. So when you are planning to adopt a cloud service, then stay in touch with the features update about it. You will see that missing features are being added very rapidly and going to be more and more compatible with on-premise deployments. Let us come back to topic. For migrating SQL Server databases to Azure, we have three options. These are Azure SQL databases, Azure Managed Instances, and Azure VMs. I will go through the main features of these three one by one. I am not including any containers distribution models like Docker or Kubernetes because they serve a different purpose than cloud does. Azure SQL databases lacks many of native SQL Server features that makes it less attractive for migrating existing databases. It is a platform as a service and keeps you free from the most of administration hassle. Due to the features and compatibility issues, it is suitable for planned new deployments rather than migrations of existing systems. Managed instances are also platform as a service and it is core layer of Azure SQL databases. Most of on-premise features missing in Azure SQL databases are available with managed instances. In fact, these are dedicated servers with fast and super fast storage. Network security is at good level through explicit and dedicated defined VPN, subnets, and scopes. It combines the features of Azure VM along with the administration independence of that of Azure SQL databases. A very good option for high workloads and migrations of existing systems to the cloud. Azure VM is the most frictionless option for migration of your on-premise data to the cloud. You can choose Windows or Linux VM as it is on-premise. With all these on-premise features available, you will be missing the auto administration present there in Azure SQL database and MI. So you will have to manage the administration tasks of scale out, backups restore, monitoring, and all such things that are related to the administration side. Cloud has massive adoption and as a professional you cannot ignore it. Just get involved with the skills on cloud for an effective skill set. Hopefully you liked this talk. Feel free for any feedback or query about it.